varied with paper crafting threads. Let's create a stinkin' cute pick-me-up card. Begin by inking up the little stinker stamp from the Best Remedy card kit with black memento ink and stamp on a scrap of basic white cardstock. Stamp the flowers in a pot too. Use Stampin' Blends to color in the images. I used both the light and dark smoky slate blends and the dark petal pink blend for my skunk. My flowers are light daffodil delight, dark petal pink, and light orchid oasis. The leaves are light mossy meadow. Fussy cut both images with paper snip. I chose one of the large flower images from the Wonderful World pattern paper and fussy cut the flower. Fold the base cardstock first before embellishing the front, so do as I say, not as I did. I placed dimensionals on the back of the images to pop them up. I stamped the sentiment in Starry Sky ink on a banner from the kit and used glue dots to place it directly on the card front. Then I decorated the inside of the card with the flowers in a pot. Since the card back is colored, the ink from the blends shows through minimally. The card front still needs a little something something. I found these cute little flowers from a past paper pumpkin kit, and they are perfect for this card. Then I stamped just the top of the skunk peeking over the end of the envelope with black memento ink. I slipped a folded over piece of scratch copy paper inside the envelope to prevent bleed through when I colored in the skunk with Stampin' Blends. And there you have it. You can find written instructions for this card at. Please hit that subscribe button to be notified of more of my videos. Thanks for watching.